In the last 6 months, 2 children have died in Louisiana from preventable respiratory illness.
Whooping cough is on the rise in the state, and with big crowds coming in for Mardi Gras, what do you need to know to protect your children and adults too?
Now, Meg Farah's got some answers in tonight's Medical Watch.
It's hard to watch children gasping for breath from whooping cough. This Mayo Clinic video is a baby with whooping cough. A feeding tube is needed because she could not hold her breath long enough to swallow. The coughing lasted 6 weeks.
Whooping cough is a particular risk to young infants. And so that's who we're really trying to protect.
That's because the first of 6 doses of the vaccine isn't until the baby is 2 months old. So before that, they're unprotected and more likely to die from whooping cough, called pertussis.
So, doctor, you recommend adults of any age, all ages, who are going to be around very young children and infants to get a booster vaccination?
Absolutely. It's a strategy called cocooning, and it is recommended that not only should the mother have her booster while she's pregnant to get those antibodies to the baby, but that all adults who are going to be around the baby.
Doctors are seeing a significant rise in whooping cough in preteens because the vaccine protection weakens over time. In that age, it's more of a nuisance with a cough that lasts for a few months. The concern is if they are around younger siblings and infants.
Are you concerned with Mardi Gras coming and more people coming into the city?
Yeah, I expect, pertussis is something that gets passed around with coughing, and it's certainly something we can expect to see more of.
So be aware of these early signs: runny nose, fever, a cough, and apnea. And watch for it to progress to these: coughing with the whoop sound, vomiting, exhaustion, and sore, watery eyes. Meg Farah, WWL, Louisiana.
To protect yourself from whooping cough, doctors recommend getting a booster every 10 years.